The seventh day of the festival, and we're so proud to show so many Pakistani films. Umro Ayyar. Then after this film, there's a Ghost School, which is another film by Seema, which is at Toronto National Film Festival. And then we also had Indus Echoes.
We had Gid.
And we had Gid.
We had Permanent Guest.
Permanent Guest, yeah. We had lots of shorts also, but feature films, yeah, it's been quite wonderful. We had a lot of shorts, as I said. And Kharish is one of them, which is directed by Mohammad Anwarzada. It's a very good film. Yeah. So it's been an interesting, it's been a really fun festival. I hope you enjoyed yourself. You were here for the 2 days symposium.
I really did. I think this festival, I love the curation of it because there's things from so many parts of the world, so many different parts of South Asia and the Middle East, and we had two Palestinian films. Three Palestinian films. I mean, this is not many festivals actually are doing that, and I think the curation is really fantastic.
I appreciate it. We have to make room for Palestine. And we're showing Palestine 36 at 8:30 p.m. tonight as well at the Living Arts Center if anyone wants to go. Also, we have merch. We have t-shirts and we have posters if anybody wants to support the festival. And please also donate if you can, so that we can make this festival possible.
Yes.
And support our artists. Now, Ali, I want to ask, let's get to your movie. By the way, how amazing was that? The special effects alone make it so paisa vasool, right? Tell us about that, because I remember you going a secret project. How did you get involved?
Well, in 2019, they were working on this script. I had met Asfar when I had gone to Pakistan, and I did a cameo in one of his other films, and he always wanted to make he's a big superhero fan, and he always wanted to make something like this. And we spoke about it. He sent me a draft of the script, and then Usman, me, and Asfar, along with the writer Atif Rehan Siddiqui, we sat on the script and we worked on it together. So I helped them formulate the script as well, because I'm a huge Superman and superhero fan in general. So, and I think the beauty of it was that yes, there's so much in our own text from Dastani Amir Hamza. उसके अंदर से ही उसके अंदर हैरी पॉटर की एलिमेंट्स भी आपको मिलेंगी, सारी डीसी मार्वल सारी एलिमेंट्स already हो चुकी हैं पहले in Dastani Amir Hamza. So that's quite fantastic that it's been copied for so many years in so many other things, so many elements that are already in the film. So we wanted to showcase all these stories that are our folk tales and that belong to us. That was how it spawned, and then of course uske baad phir we ikhta karood and joined forces with crew from all around the world, jo ki bahut zabardast baat thi hamare liye, because during the pandemic aur वैसे भी लोग people are scared कि okay, during the pandemic nobody wanted to go anywhere, plus people in general were like, oh, what are we going to do in Pakistan, how are we going to do this? But I think the beauty of it was that everybody came together in such a wonderful way. And it was a real labor of love. Everybody put all their heart and soul into it. And what I loved was that the crew from Australia and England and the US, they left with such a positive image of Pakistan and the people, and that to me is the real win of the film. And the message in the film is really that everybody has a superhero within them. And it's, when you look deep inside yourself, you'll find that strength.
Well, the fact is, there's amazing talent in Pakistan, and people are working really hard, and it's not just dramas that are being made. The excellent work is being created in Pakistan.
So much so.
And it's very nice to get recognition, but it's also a struggle, because Pakistani stories don't get out as easily. Now, how was it marketing this film for you? Like, did it go all over the world, or what happened? Where did it premiere?
The film did go all over the world. We filmed it in 2020. It took 4 years to get it to where we wanted to be with the VFX and everything.
There's a lot of work.
There's a lot of work to be done there. The VFX alone, it took a while. It took such a long time. And like I said, I think uske sabse maze ki baat ye hai that the VFX department is now open to other films. So I'm very happy about that. But the film is one of the most expensive films made in Pakistan.
Did it make its money back?
And it played in Pakistan for a year, from last June to this July. So I'm happy to say that it did very well. I think the biggest issue that we face in Pakistani cinema right now is because our films were non-existent and dead for so long because of so many political issues and dictators that came and went, that the film industry was so dead that unfortunately the world, even Pakistan itself, cinema going culture had died for so many years. And then across the world, people were not used to getting cinema from Pakistan. Nobody expected to get cinema from Pakistan for so many years that has been a struggle, an uphill struggle for, first of all, explaining to people, no, wait, we have movies too, we're making movies, it's coming, it's getting bigger and better, but it's slow and steady. Of course, getting the funding and getting the word out there, getting the marketing is very, very tough. We did a pretty good job with this. It did go all across the world. It came all across North America and Europe and Australia and England. But like I said, it's short-lived. The lifespan of Pakistani cinema across the globe is short-lived. But I'm happy that it did really well. Only 2 films in the last decade have managed to stay on, even in Pakistan, for that long. One was Legend of Maula Jat, and one is Umro Ayyar. So I'm happy that
Very good.
at least